Hi, I'm Rick Uzzi, Vice President of Marketing here at Zecorum. Our developers have been really busy developing some fantastic new features in TruVision this month. For example, we've now got a Spectrum tab where you can click to see the spectrum passing through a set-top box or a cable modem. That's all channels, data and video, as long as it supports full band capture. Also, we've added a power tab where if you've got a transponder that supports SCTE MIBs, we can show you specific stats for that power supply. And then also we've added a QoS report where you can actually see on the Wi-Fi diagnostics, you can see whether a Wi-Fi device in the home is actually underperforming what the broadband package is that the customer has. Here's some quick details on that as well as some other features. If you have CPE in your network that support full band capture, you can now view the spectrum passing through that device within TruVision. Just click the Spectrum tab at the top of the modem diagnostic screen and then click the play button. You'll see the same type of signal that you would see if you drove out to the customer and hooked up a meter. Now you should calibrate one device per CMTS with readings from an actual meter to make sure that the levels are accurate. Remember that you can run a report also right here under the Report tab that will show you all of the modems on your network that support full band capture. And in this new release, the report now shows you the firmware level of the modem. If you have power transponders on your network that support the SCTE MIBs for power transponders, then you can use the Power tab that we've added to the top of the modem diagnostic screen. You see the usual kind of information here on the modem portion of that transponder. And then up here you've got a Power tab that you can click. And when you click that, we'll display any additional information about the transponder that we're able to collect from that device. TruVision also now has a Wi-Fi QoS report that looks at the performance of the in-home Wi-Fi access points embedded in your cable gateways, and it shows you devices where the in-home Wi-Fi performance is significantly less than what the customer should be experiencing based on the broadband package that you've sold them. This will help you troubleshoot those complaints about slow internet that are really related to the customer's in-home Wi-Fi network. Finally, also in this release, we're no longer going to be showing you the inactive interfaces on the cable modems by default over here on the left side of the modem diagnostic screen. Because of the increase in the number of interfaces on cable gateways, the panel was being populated by a lot of devices showing status of down or inactive. You can always display all the devices by clicking the Show Interactive Interfaces checkbox located above the list of interfaces. I told you the developers were busy. That's some great stuff. Remember, you can always see what's new in TruVision by going to the TruVision page at truvision.com, clicking on Features, and then clicking on What's New.